Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you 3-word sentences are simple, easy to remember and perfect for learning English quickly. They are used in speaking, writing and everyday conversations to improve fluency and confidence. So let's get started. I love pizza. She is happy. He runs fast. They are ready. We need help. I feel tired. She sings beautifully. He plays football. I like reading. You look amazing. We are friends. They study together. I eat vegetables. She drives carefully. He is kind. We enjoy music. I miss you. She loves chocolate. He paints well. They work hard. I write stories. You are smart. We go shopping. She dances gracefully. He cooks dinner. I watch movies. They travel often. We need coffee. I take photos. She reads books. He fixes cars. You sound amazing. I love coding. They play cricket. We eat together. She likes flowers. He studies hard. I enjoy hiking. You are beautiful. We plan trips. She paints beautifully. He smiles often. I drink water. They enjoy sports. We love summer. She writes poems. He loves music. I feel excited. You make sense. We watch sunsets. She cooks pasta. Hope you enjoyed these 3-word sentences. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more fun learning.